Welcome to Easy Fresh Salad. Chaat, as many of you may know, is a term describing savory snacks, typically served at roadside tracks, from stalls or food carts in India, and is immensely popular among people of all ages. Just the name chaat makes mouth so watery. This recipe justifies this word perfectly. After this, you will always want to have the salad. It is so tasty and healthy. So let's get started. You will need 2 cups sprouted mung beans, 1 carrot, 1/4 cup cabbage, 1 small onion, half cup soaked peanuts, 2 to 3 tablespoon coriander leaves, 1 tablespoon oil, salt to taste, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon chaat masala, 1 lime, half cup grapes cut into halves. First, let's get our veggies ready. We will start with grating carrots. Finely chop the cabbage, add coriander leaves. Onions are optional if you want to make positive pranic recipe. Sprouting is optional. You can directly use the overnight soaked mung beans also. We will saute mung beans in 1 tablespoon oil, salt and some water. Then cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Cool it off in a plate. Then add all the ingredients in a large bowl. You can also add jeera powder and green chili if you wish. Sprouts are high in fiber and very light and easily digestible. Add sugar. Besides grapes, you can also add other fruits like pomegranate and orange in this recipe. I'm sure this will become your everyday snack very soon. Please do give it a try, and I will see you in the next recipe. Till then, eat fresh, stay healthy. If you like the recipe, you can support me by liking, subscribing and commenting.